If you're anything like me, you love using callout blocks and custom icons to visually organize your content in Notion. But selecting a custom icon every time you need to create a new callout is a pain in the booty. Hey there, it's Tasia like Fantasia here with another Notion quick tip. In today's video, I'm going to walk you through the process I use to create callout blocks with custom icons and save them in my space to quickly and easily organize my dashboards in Notion. But before we get into it, I would really appreciate it if you took a moment to like this video and subscribe to my channel for that YouTube algorithm. And don't forget to hit that bell icon so you get notified whenever new Notion quick tip videos come out. Okay, let's dive in. So if you want to quickly create custom callout blocks with custom icons, this is exactly how I use it in my personal workspace. This is an example from one of the pages in my Creative Biz HQ dashboard. And on this page is my vision and branding type stuff. And you see I use these custom callouts to organize types of information on this dashboard page. Let's go ahead and see that in action. This is the live page in my personal workspace. This is where you can see I have a section for branding related content. And then this is my North Star, kind of my mission statement, higher level goals that I want to achieve through my creative business and creative practices. And at the bottom here, I have this databasement page. This is where I store any relevant pages or databases to this particular dashboard. And you'll see I have dashboards here. Let's take a look at these building blocks. Down here, this is where I create a copy of my callout blocks, and I just create blank copies with the style that I like to use on my dashboard pages and tuck them in this databasement down here. Another page you can see an example of this is my content management page. And this is where you can see, again, I have a little callout block for content creation. This covers the different stages of content creation. Then content types for the different types of content that I create. And then a section for if I have guests on my channel or podcast, if I do a podcast in the future, my content projects, content resources, and each of these are in their own little custom callout block, which is using these customized gradient minimal icons for my minimal icon set. And again, down here in the databasement, I have my main databases, my dashboard pages, an archive section for my previous content dashboard. And then I have these building blocks down here where I have a space that I can quickly duplicate them and then drag them into my dashboard page and organize new content however I need. So how do I do that? Well, let's go ahead and create some examples down here. First things first, we want to create the callout block. And then what you want to do is you're going to go ahead and set your custom icon. And this is where I'm going to go into my Notion graphics. I have a folder saved on my desktop with different Notion graphics that I like to use regularly. And in here, I'm actually using the jewel gradients. And this one is going to be the, let's do a pink purple. And the icon I use for these pages, or for the vision pages that I was showing you, is the little sun icon. But in this case, let's do a little YouTube record video. So let's say I'm working in my YouTube page and I want to create a bunch of custom callout blocks with this icon. So now what I do, I like using this little divider to create like a header section, and then all the content goes below that divider line. And what I'll do is once I have this initial one created and I define the custom icon I want to use throughout a dashboard page, all you need to do is just highlight, and you can either click on the little block menu here and click the duplicate button, or in my case, I'd usually use keyboard shortcuts, and to duplicate is just Command or Control D. So you can quickly create multiple copies of the same callout block with that custom icon without you needing to go in and set the custom icon every single time you need to create a new callout block for that dashboard page. And then all I do on any given dashboard page that I'm working on, if I create too many or I don't need all of these particular callout blocks for that dashboard page, I create a new databasement. And that's where I store any extra callout blocks. In this case, let's say we want to do a couple side by side. Let's do a full-size one, another couple side-by-sides. And this is where you can organize your dashboard page in whatever way you need to. You can go ahead and delete that extra block, but you can organize your dashboard page with these nice call-out blocks that makes your space very visually clean and organized. And in the future, keep extras in your little data basement, so when you need one down the road, all you have to do is just drag and drop it where you want it to go. So that's how I quickly and easily create custom callout blocks with custom icons that I can use to update existing dashboard pages wherever I need throughout my workspace. I hope you found this quick tip helpful, and as always, friends, stay creative.